you ready to make pasta sauce? Then grab your pan. First, you are going to need 1 can of chopped tomatoes, 1 onion, 1 tablespoon of butter, and lastly, good old salt and pepper. With the pan off, add chopped onions. Add your tablespoon of butter and put your pan onto full amount of heat. Finally, add your tin of chopped tomatoes. Once boiling, bring down the heat and simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. After about 15 minutes, you may want to start your pasta. Add your salt and pepper for that extra flavouring. After it is cooked, place on plate and there you have it, pasta sauce.